Good day everyone. My name is Mako Janray S. Diansui, Doctor of Dental Medicine, third year student from the Manila Central University. Now, we will demonstrate the subcutaneous injection for you. Now, first thing first, what is subcutaneous administration or what is subcutaneous inject used for? Subcutaneous injection means the injection is given in the fatty tissue. Dito po siya banda. Just under the skin. An SQ injection is the best way to give yourself certain medicines including insulin and blood thinner. So, bago po tayo mag-proceed, ano po ba yung mga kailangan natin dito? Okay, nandito ang gloves. Andito ang syringe. Andito yung wet cotton. Andito yung dry cotton. And face mask. So, let's start. So, ngayon, ilalagay ko lang ang aking gloves. And now, dahil po nakapag-gloves na tayo, next, the face mask para po safe. Okay. So, the next step is introduce yourself to the patient. Okay? Good day, my patient Angel. My name is Dr. Mako Janray S. Diansui. Now, we will be giving you aspirin so that we will inject you in your fatty tissue here. Make sure po na 3 cm away from the shoulder. Right here. Okay? And don't forget po na kailangan alam din po natin yung dosage na itutusok natin sa ating patient. So, first, know the age ng ating patient po. Sobrang importante po nito dahil pagka po na overdose po ito, baka po hindi po kayanin ng katawan. So now, stay calm first. So, kuha na po tayo ng wet cotton, then in circular motion po. Okay. Get lang tayo. Okay. Then, once na subcutaneous po ang ating pag-inject, ito po lagi ay 45 degrees po natin. So, pagka po kasi 90, so naka ganito po. So, pagka 45, iusog lang natin. Okay. Sige po. Slowly. And dahan-dahan. And slowly rin po sa pagtanggal. Okay. Use wet cotton naman po. Okay. So, after that, you need to give some advice to your patient para alam po ng patient kung ano man po yung kung ano man po yung ginagawa po natin as doctors. So, thank you so much po for listening and watching. I hope you guys learn something para sa ating subcutaneous injection na video tutorial. Thank you so much and have a nice day po.